Today, let's do another favorite practice, Tonglen for a loved one. Just a quick reminder that Tonglen is an ancient practice designed to short-circuit our selfishness. The logic of Tonglen is that we start by breathing in and opening to feelings that threaten the survival of our self-importance. We breathe in feelings that generally we want to get rid of. And on the out-breath of Tonglen, we send out all that we find pleasurable and comfortable, meaningful and desirable. We send out all the feelings we usually grasp after and cling to for dear life. The difference between the practice of compassionate abiding that we did a few days ago and Tonglen is that in compassionate abiding, we work with our own unwanted feelings. And in Tonglen, the emphasis is always on relieving the suffering of others. In Tonglen, as we breathe in someone else's discomfort, we might think, may I feel this completely so that I and all other beings may be free of pain. And as we breathe out relief, we might think, may I send out this contentment completely so that all beings may feel relaxed and at home with themselves and with the world. So Tonglen is not just about imagery and mantras, but really about allowing ourselves to feel all those unwanted feelings and transmute them into warmth and friendliness and relief for the other person, and also feel that relief as well. We really open ourselves to the suffering of other beings, and we really long that the suffering could be removed. And we're not really taking on the suffering, we're just kind of moving it through us, feeling it, letting it get transmuted and send out the light that we create. So let's try it together. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your breath, into this moment right here, right now. Allow your breath to be easy, natural. Don't try to watch your breath too intently. Simply feel yourself breathe in and out. Easy, no struggle. Letting all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy. And now bring to mind a person you care about who is suffering or unhappy in some way. They may have an illness or physical discomfort. They may be going through a divorce, afraid that they will lose their job, wonder where money will come from. As you think about this person you care for, notice all the difficulties in their life. And visualize each aspect of their suffering as a cloud of black smoke. This person may have one big cloud or several smaller ones around them. You care about this person and you want to rid them of this black smoke and bring them contentment, joy, peace. So remembering that you will never run short of the love inside you without any fear. Breathe in the black smoke from your loved one. And as you breathe it in, notice if your heart is completely open and soft and receptive to this, or perhaps it's surrounded with a kind of a protective shell of fear, self-absorption. Either way, it's totally fine. Just notice. No worries. And if there is this protective shell of separation around your heart, let the black smoke crack through it and allow your heart to break open in loving white light. Now every single particle of black smoke is transformed into this light, the light of peace, contentment, happiness. Every bit of pain and suffering that you breathe in, you can transform. Remember, Tonglen is not a conceptual practice. It's not only about this imagery, but it's really about allowing yourself to feel whatever the other person is feeling and acknowledging that any suffering is a universal experience and that the relief from suffering is also a universal experience. So breathe in all the discomfort from your loved one. Allow yourself to feel it, reminding that it's human to feel this way. All of us do it. All of us have these experiences at some point. And as you breathe out, send this person the peace, contentment, happiness in the form of the white light. And maybe you can also imagine sending this person whatever they might need in the moment. Just visualize sending them money if they need money, or a cup of coffee, or a hug, whatever it is that might make them happy in the moment. And continue this way. Breathe in the black smoke of their mental or physical suffering and pain, fear. Watch as every last bit of it is transformed in your open heart. And breathe out any type of healing and happiness and peace this person could want. Continue doing this and imagine the person that you chose for this practice, that you care about, beginning to smile. See joy come to their face as all the suffering leaves their body and mind and enters your heart to be transformed. And allow yourself to feel this joy, this relief as well. There is no end to this transformation, to this healing you're experiencing. Take a couple more breaths like this, and then gently let go of your practice. Scan your body now. Notice what's going on for you in this moment, physically, mentally, emotionally. How are you? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue the practice of Tonglen for your loved ones. Remember to allow yourself not just imagine all this, but to really feel the suffering without any fear, to really connect with the possible relief from the suffering, remembering that both are universal experiences, the suffering and the relief from suffering, and that we all go through it. Enjoy this process.